Today is January 7th. I took this trade up $1,700 on my eval. I'll get into why in a second. Let's go over the trade. So today, first thing I had marked out was previous day low. From now on, I'm going to start using previous day low and previous day high as major draws, along with news highs, news lows, and equal high, equal lows. So I marked that out. And I was also looking at the 4 hour. I was looking how we were inside this imbalance. When market had opened, we were below these lows. At first, I knew that all these lows were going to get swept. I knew that for a fact because we came here, we made a little move up, reacted off this fair value gap, and then I knew we were at least going to get to these equal lows over here. So after we pushed past those, I really was bullish because why was I bullish? Oh, I was bullish because we came to 50% of this range. We were in a 4 hour for value gap. We had like this accumulation. I thought this was going to be manipulation. We're going to come below these lows and distribute higher. You know, I'm kind of trying out new things, you know. But obviously I was wrong. So here for like 15, 20 minutes, we were kind of just chopping around, not moving. And then I noticed that we had this 5-minute high, and on stream I marked it out. And I said I wanted to see that get swept. So we could go lower because we're so close to previous day low. I'm like, we're already this close. We're going to go for it. So I also saw this 5-minute imbalance. Those are my two major draws. So we made a big move up right here, which left this for value gap. So I trade IFVG. So as soon as we close below down here, I entered. My original break-even point was going to be right here, but this is not really major, and neither was this. So I went break-even right here, and I also took off 50%. I put in 12 micro contracts, so I sold 6 here, and I put my stop to break-even. So originally, I wanted to risk about 700 or 600, and I had it like right here. So I was going to do 12 contracts if we close right here, but I forgot to change it. We closed all the way down here. I ended up doing 12 contracts on a 50-point stop loss. So I ended up risking like 1,200, and I didn't even realize. So that's why I made so much. But either way, it was still a good trade. We closed below the fair value gap. I got in targeting this low. And then, like I said, we had previous day low right here. And then another thing I was looking at was the weekly open was right here. Okay, it's not showing. I don't know where it's at, but it was a lot lower, and I was looking at that too, but I just closed. So yeah, that was my trade for today. It was actually a really good trade. I thought it was an amazing trade. I did not see as many people take it as I thought I would, but yeah, the 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute sweep. 1 minute, you know, like I said before, I like to see those big moves through the fair value gap. You don't want to see it chop around through the fair value gap. You want to see it go straight through and close below. So yeah, I made a little bit more than I should have. Definitely gonna stick to around $500, $600 risk from now on. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one.